Hey my babies, welcome back to another armpit wax tutorial where I teach you how to wax. We are dropping that wax off initially when we start, taking that stick 90-degree angle, pushing it all the way down until we create our lip. Don't forget to apply a lot of pressure when pushing down. Then to make sure that the strip is supported, we're gonna add more wax on top just to make sure it doesn't crack or break. We are using Cherry Desire by Sexy Smooth Wax today. You can use my code Wax Fairyyy to get money off as soon as you pull, put pressure on the skin, and look at all the nice roots that came up. If your first initial strips do not look like this and at least 50% of the hair isn't taken off, the wax isn't good or you didn't prep the skin the right way. Always make sure to put your cleanup strips in the opposite direction. I always like to stagger the cleanup strips. You do not stagger anything else but the cleanup strips. Now we're going to do one more cleanup strip just to make sure everything is taken off. We do not want to leave a crumb behind. Once again, your clients will thank you and come back to you. I hate tweezing the skin, so I try to get everything with wax. Add a armpit wax into your next Brazilian wax service for super bright armpits.